Hello everyone, Instagram lovers. In this video, we're going to explore the question many people ask. How do you know if someone has blocked you on Instagram? So get ready to learn some key signs that can indicate if you've been blocked. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the Instagram app on our device. Once inside, head to the conversation with the person we suspect has blocked us. Inside the chat, we press the profile picture of the person in question. If we notice that their profile no longer has photos uploaded, as if they had deleted them, this could be a sign that something has changed. This could be due to that person's privacy settings or content deletion. To further confirm our suspicions, we tried following the person. We hit the follow button and notice that nothing happens. This behavior may be because the person has blocked us. When someone blocks us on Instagram, a kind of digital barrier is established that prevents our interaction with their profile. That is why, even if we press the follow button, the action does not take place. And there you have it. A method to detect if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Remember, these signs are not infallible, but they can give you a good indication. If you find this information useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more social media tips. See you in the next video.